In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Nintendo Joy-Cons as a single Windows controller. If you want to use your left and right Joy-Con together on your Windows PC, the good news is that the setup is pretty simple once you know where everything is. We'll first connect both Joy-Cons to your computer through Bluetooth, and then we'll use Steam to combine them into one controller so they work more naturally in supported games. To begin, turn on Bluetooth on your PC, then pair each Joy-Con separately. On each Joy-Con, press and hold the sync button until the indicator lights begin flashing. That flashing means the controller is ready to pair. On your computer, open Windows Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then choose Add Device and select Bluetooth. Pair the left Joy-Con first, and then pair the right Joy-Con the same way. Make sure both controllers appear as connected before moving on, because Steam needs to detect each one individually before it can combine them. Once both Joy-Cons are connected, open Steam. From there, go into Settings and then open the Controller section. This is where Steam manages controller support for different devices, including Nintendo controllers. Inside the controller settings, enable Nintendo Switch controller support. This is the option that allows Steam to properly recognize Joy-Cons and interpret their inputs. If this setting is off, Steam may see the controllers, but it may not handle them correctly. After that, look for the option to show advanced settings. Open that section, because this is where Steam gives you the option to merge both Joy-Cons into one usable controller profile. If you don't see the pairing option right away, give Steam a moment to fully detect both devices. Next, click Combine Joy-Con Pair. This tells Steam to treat the left and right Joy-Con as a single controller instead of two separate ones. That's the key step that makes this setup much more comfortable for regular gameplay. Finally, test your controller. Move the sticks, press the buttons, and confirm that your Joy-Cons are responding as one controller. Testing is important because it helps you catch pairing issues early, especially if one side didn't connect properly or if Steam needs a quick refresh. If something doesn't work right away, the easiest fix is usually to disconnect and reconnect the Joy-Cons, then reopen Steam and check the controller settings again. Once everything is working, you'll be ready to play using both Joy-Cons as one controller on Windows.